Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Renuka David, the founder of the Radiant Wellness Conclave. This year we're celebrating our 10th year anniversary. Our conclave we started in 2015. The idea behind the conclave is to address wellness through preventive healthcare and adapting healthy lifestyle measures. And we've kind of gone through the 9 dimensions of wellness. Year on year we have speakers from physical, environmental, emotional, occupational, intellectual, technology, and social. Health, so 9 dimensions, and we have this format as either panel discussions or fireside chats or a TED talk format. So this year our whole theme has been era of disruption, where because of artificial intelligence like chat gpt, there's so much of disruption happening in our life. So all our conversations are going to be based around that. Speaker this year is Dr. Shashi Tharoor. He's also the mentor for our conclave, and he has spoken in his keynote message about the 9 dimensions of wellness. Other than that, some known names are, Dr. Sriram Nene, who speaks on physical wellness and health. We are given the Lifetime Achievement Award to Shabana Azmi because she completes 50 years of cinema this year. So it's been an amazing and incredible journey, and I was in conversation with her, talking on her movies, talking on a lot of issues on life, work-life balance, on emotional wellness and social wellness, and what it meant to be an actor, an activist, a political leader. So in many ways that was very interesting. And also Bowman Irani is coming in the afternoon, so we are very eager to hear his conversation because he's come from very humble background. He was a waiter, and then he became a photographer, and then a theatre personality, and then he got into movies when he was in his 40s. So very excited about that. And another very nice part of our conclave is the awards in that space of technology, health, and environment. We recognize unsung heroes from all over India and abroad who are doing some incredible work. This what started, we put out these award nominations. First, we just had 30 or 40. Last year, we had about 230 applicants for the awards, and this year, we have an incredible 830 people who applied for awards. So, we had a very good jury who did, and so in the afternoon we are going to be awarding these incredible unsung heroes. So it's a very satisfying experience. Big thing, because there are so many questions people want to know. Like for example, our artificial intelligence, Chat GPT. Today, by a click of a button, people get answers for everything. Earlier they used to research in libraries, and also Chat GPT has become very easy. A lot of information is available in a very short span of time. But it can also, you have to use it intelligently. We don't want artificial intelligence to control us. So we're going to have some conversations around that.